Hello everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much. I appreciate your time in dropping by and watching this premiere of mine. So for today's video everyone, this is from ustarbiz.ru company. Again, thank you so much for your generosity. They give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime in this product. Of course, in exchange of my video, which I will be doing an unboxing and a review of my own personal opinion. And definitely I will do an outdoor try on to this. So a very brief information about this company. Again, another replica store online in the market. I know there are lots. I've been collaborating, I've been unboxing to all of this replica store online into market, which is I don't really mind doing this. Okay, my own personal point of view, because to me, inflation is here big time. And that doesn't mean we have to stop not to do our fashion. We still have to do our fashion. So from this online replica store into market, they are selling luxury replica stuff product, good material, original material, which is Ustarbiz has. And Ustarbiz also has a lot to offer. Especially now, summer is here. There are so many purses to us women and also to the men. And they do also have a lot of accessories. Okay, I will put all the link and information below in this video. Please, guys, go check online so you can have this shopping mood start. And you can also use my discount coupon, Hazel5. That might help to put something on our table. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so I have some few eyesight for you guys, for your reference, what kind of stuff they are selling into market, right? So yeah, summer is here. You deserve a gift to yourself. You work hard. I've been telling this always all the time. Ustarbiz has a great quality of material. And so the reason why I love collaborating with this company too, you know, that kind of affordability in their product, good material, affordable, reasonable price for our fashion. Okay. So I might be talking too much. So let's jump into the unboxing. Okay. I can't really wait to open up this and try this outdoor, but prior to that, of course, let's do the unboxing. Okay, please. All right, so let's begin unboxing, and please be careful when using sharp objects. Okay, thank you. Here it comes. This is cute. All right, so I got this information, 2800 HKD. Okay. So I have this too. Let's set aside. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 and you. Okay, wow, this is super cute. Okay, so. Oh my God. Oh, look at this. See how big is this? How cute. No? Okay, let's take this inside. Take a look. Okay. One second. It has removed this. Okay. Thank you so much, ustarbiz.ru, for this. Okay, so look at this. How cute. Okay, and let's proceed this. This is the strap. And I've got the information here, so we will attach this. Cute. Oh my God, look at this. Look how cute is this. So there's no reason this will removed because of the design and style to that. So we'll figure out how's this And look at this. You can see the name of this purse. And let's open up. Take this off. Guys, this is the lock. Oh my God. The material is heavy duty. Oh my. Okay, so another one, both side. And this is the adjustment, okay? So it's all up to your preference. Depending on what size you are, what height is yours, to consider this, okay? Right? Let's connect this. Okay. Here. Let us connect this side here. Okay. And oh, very beautiful. Here you go. And then let's figure out this. Where to put, okay? Okay, let's just put this one here. Okay? Look at this. Cute, little pretty. Okay, so guys, you know what I mean? The zipper is soft. There, you hear that? Zipper moves so softly. And oh, smells so good. Just it smells so good. Truthfully. So there, here is the inside material of this. Okay. There's none packet inside, just that with this name on it. The material is like a soft leather. Oh my goodness. Very good material, I would say. See? Super soft. And okay, so we will check the stitches, right? Closely. Okay. So I don't see, have you seen any out of line stitches? There is none. And the handle is hard. You know, there is something inside, which is heavy duty. Very, so this is very cute. Beautiful though, very beautiful. I am so in love with this cuteness. This is really good for high school, college, you know, like 20 something. This is very good to you guys. Very cute. All right. Super. And what do you say? Isn't it so beautiful? Right? Beautiful though. So cute. And look at that. Just smells so good. Really. I have, you know, my nose react when it's not pleasant odor. Since I've been opening all this replica stuff, everything was and is smells so good. Truthfully. Okay? And again, this slides perfectly. Okay? Here. Okay? So, what do you say? Isn't it beautiful? So what are you waiting for? Go please get yours. You deserve a gift for yourself. Okay? So here, final look in this. Beautiful, no? It's just so gorgeous. Especially the age of 20s. You know, like this is really good for college, teenagers, color of design of purse, I would say. And I love this. I know I'm not that young, but still young at heart. Okay? So much. All right? So it's about time for you guys. Summer is here, and this is very good for summer. And this is very affordable price. As you can see, go check in my description of this. This is very affordable, right? So summer is here. What are you waiting for? Please, good check. Use my coupon Hazel5. That helps. So, no? Ah, let's try this outdoor.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Like honey dripping from a golden bee, it's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest.